Hi, Josephine Nakhla. I am Strategic Marketing Director at Balchem for the powders and cereals business, which is part of our human nutrition and health portfolio. This year at IFT, we're showing a couple things. So we're trying to really showcase our enabling technologies. We're experts in particle science, so really it's all about showcasing what we do in order to bring to our customers, who are typically food and beverage manufacturers, technologies and capabilities that then allow them to develop products for the current trends and needs. So one of the big trends that everyone's hearing about, it's not really a trend anymore, but here to stay, is the GLP-1 era. So really changing the game in the food and beverage industry. People are eating less as a result of their weight management lifestyles and routines. And so it makes sense to get more out of our foods and beverages. So really the center of this is around high protein, healthy fats, and high fiber. So gut health and high protein.
I'm Andrew Hart. I'm also a Strategic Marketing Director here at Balchem. I oversee the flavors and encapsulate side of the business. We're showcasing our enabling technology also, but here we're taking a look at it in meat snack sticks. So meat snack sticks is something that's shown significant growth, specifically in the North American market over the last few years, where it's gone from being what we would call a road trip snack, something that you would buy whilst you were out on a long road trip, to something that is now being consumed by a much wider demographic of folks going into school, kids' lunchboxes, pieces like that for school. And we have an enabling technology which enables the product to be made a lot more efficiently by removing a very lengthy fermentation process from the product, and then also enabling it to be made without added sugars, which aligns, as Josie mentioned about GLP-1, aligns with consumers that are looking to control their diets, looking to really fortify with protein and other pieces while managing their carbohydrate intake. So we really provide the enabling technology for what we call companion products to the GLP-1 in that space. And we think meat snack sticks is a great way to do that, and our technology really enables. We're also presenting our beverage capabilities, what we call our beverage flavor systems. We talk about systems very much as the building blocks that make beverages, whether that be the nutritional system, the vitamins and minerals that go into it, stabilizers, the mouthfeel modifiers, the flavors and colors, stabilizer systems, all of those components that enable beverages to be made. We're promoting those pieces in terms of the simplification it provides to manufacturers, the consistency, and then the performance that they deliver. So those are the main two areas we're highlighting this year.
From a technology standpoint, I think one of the biggest challenges right now in the industry is a lot of these really important nutritional, functional ingredients that we need in our diets, they're not always soluble or miscible in water. So one of the most interesting things out there that I've seen is the ability to agglomerate, and we at Balchem happen to be agglomeration and particle science experts. We're really good at figuring out how to get things to go into solution and to behave the way we need them to behave. So from a stability and from a miscibility and solubility standpoint, our agglomeration technology is some of the best out there. And in particular, the Stabila Pro Inulin product, which is actually featured in the plant-based soft serve. This actually has a Stabila Pro Inulin in it. So not only is it a high protein prototype, but it also has prebiotic fiber for gut health and digestive health. So getting things to go into solution and make them more appealing to people so that they'll consume them, I think is one of the neatest things out there that you can really do to transform your game in terms of developing products that consumers want to eat.
Yeah, so for sustainability capabilities, we're obviously very sustainably focused here at Balchem as an organization, but our enabling technology that we mentioned a little bit earlier on really helps our customers meet sustainability, enables them to drive forward, whether that be extending shelf life of product to reduce waste associated with it, whether it be aiding the supply chain teams during challenges in supply of material, overcoming seasonality variations in product, using our building blocks that we talked about on the beverage side to enable them to replace a shortage of ingredient. Right now there are some significant challenges on bringing in ingredients, whether it be driven by environmental issues, maybe spoilage that's occurring on the cocoa side or on the orange and citrus crop side, whether it be geopolitical related, where it's difficult to get materials where they need. We feel that we have technologies that can help bridge that gap by building together systems and truly being enablers for companies to provide sustainability and having ongoing ability to overcome supply chain issues. So thanks for giving us the opportunity to talk about Balchem technologies. Obviously, if anyone's interested in learning more, go to balchem.com and click on the Contact Us link, and we'd love to connect and share more information.